If one were considering the evolution of animals and their traits, such as the digestive system, if one focuses as an endpoint on larger, more complex organisms like vertebrates or arthropods, then very often trends are clear. The digestive system, there is the adaptation of animals to develop a digestive system, and then a complete digestive tract with a mouth and anus, etc. However, if one considers the great diversity of animals, given that many are smaller, many have secondarily adapted to parasitic lifestyles, etc., then very often there is no overall trend universally observed. For example, the absence of a digestive tract is thought to have been the ancestral feature of animals, given that it is present in sponges and placozoans. However, a few groups, as they adapted to parasitic lifestyles, have secondarily lost the ancestral feature of not having a digestive system. Early animals were thought to have developed a one-way digestive cavity with one opening which served as both the mouth and the anus. This was thought to be present in the ancestral metazoans, such as cnidarians and comb jellies, although the position of comb jellies in the tree can be debated. The earliest bilaterians, the xenocoelomorphs, also seem to have had this feature, although their position in the tree could be debated. This, however, also evolved secondarily, so a number of groups which we presume possessed an anus and a complete digestive tract then lost this structure and then had a single opening in their digestive tract. It seems that exit pores for the digestive tract can evolve multiple times. And so in addition to the anus, which seems to be a major feature in bilaterian animals, there are a few groups who have developed other exits to the digestive tract which are not this major bilaterian anus. One of the great questions in the coelomate animals is whether the anus developed from the blastopore. This is called the deuterostome style of development, characterizing the deuterostomes, which means mouth second, or whether the mouth forms from the blastopore and the anus develops later. Well, even though the deuterostome style of development is thought to apply to deuterostomes, apparently the blastopore develops into the anus in some of the deuterostomes, but also in some of the protostomes. And the majority of the deuterostomes close this blastopore, and then following blastopore closure, then developed an anus from a new opening. And so, the study of animal phylogeny would be easier if traits evolved only once and were then kept in all descendants. But it appears that in the diversity of life, the evolution of many features, including many major features of the digestive system, is far more complex.